Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Creative Cloud for all-in-one design branding tools. Easy tutorial. To get started with Adobe Creative Cloud, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Adobe's official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Creative Cloud option in the menu. Click on it to explore the features and options available. Scroll down the page to view the different subscription plans. You will see options for individual, business, student, and teacher subscriptions. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Get Started or Buy Now button associated with your selected plan. You will be redirected to a sign-in page if you already have an Adobe account. If you do not have an account, click on the Create an Account link. Fill in the required information to set up your new account. Once your account is created, sign in with your credentials. After signing in, you will be directed to the checkout page. Review your selected plan and pricing details carefully. If you have a promo code, enter it in the designated field. Proceed to enter your payment information. Choose your preferred payment method and fill in the necessary details. Verify your billing address and ensure all information is accurate. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Place Secure Order button. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud application using the link provided in the email or from the Adobe website. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the Creative Cloud app and log in with your Adobe account. You can now access all the design and branding tools included in your subscription. Explore the apps available in Creative Cloud, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and more. Start your design journey with Adobe Creative Cloud today. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.